what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a new project.
That is all hail.
All hail. Right from snow into hail season.
And it's not hail season yet. Lisa and I tried to go ride the buggy, and this is what happened. Started pouring rain, thunder and lightning, and now the ground is covered in hail.
Ryan's got the base, the 2 layers of base spread out over here. It's good and thick. And here's where he's at now. He's putting the roof on for the carport, because the carport will be good to protect the truck and also give us some extra storage. Hey everybody, I didn't get much footage. I ended up leaving during the day and Ryan was working on the project by himself. So not a great video today, but here's what we've got. So the project was to spread some gravel, and this is what we got. We had a little issue. We leveled it off, but apparently part of it we realized was not leveled, so there's our homestead fail, but we will fix that another time. But the main thing is we now have a carport to put Old Blue under in the summertime, and then we can put my truck under it in the wintertime. That way we can use the garage more for some other storage. And it's great because the camper fits right behind there. We got this all leveled off with some rock. So it was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Take care.